आज दोपहर तुलाशिखर कृषि उपखंड द्वारा आयोजित तुलाशिखर सामूहिक विकास अधिकारी कार्यालय के सम्मेलन हॉल में एक कार्यक्रम के माध्यम से 34 किसानों को कृषि सामग्री प्रदान किया गया। कार्यक्रम का उद्घाटन उपजाति कल्याण और वन मंत्री मेवार कुमार जमातिया ने किया। मंत्री मेवार कुमार जमातिया ने केंद्र सरकार के FMAM, NFSM और RKBY परियोजनाओं के माध्यम से 27,68,000 की लागत से 34 किसानों को कृषि इनपुट सौंपे। उनमें से पंप सेट और घास कटने की मशीन को 15 प्राप्तकर्ताओं को सौंपे और 19 किसानों को राइस थ्रेसिंग मशीन सौंपी गई। इस अवसर पर मंत्री के अलावा तुलाशिखर ब्लॉक सलाहकार समिति के अध्यक्ष प्रदीप देववर्मा, कृषि अधीक्षक स्वपन देववर्मा और अन्य भी उपस्थित थे।
There are 3 items. One is the weeding machine, and other is a pump set, and other the cutting the grasses. The 3 items we have distributed, and especially I thanks the government of Tripura, to agriculture department for taking initiative this kind of scheme. It's a new scheme, and is 100% is free, given to the poor family, especially the tribal family. And the Tulasiko RD block is also one of the aspiration block, special block which was declared by the government of Tripura. We have 40 blocks in Tripura. Out of 40 blocks, 12 blocks is declared aspiration block, special block. Therefore, this scheme we have got available, we got benefited because of this special block. First of all, I thank the people of the beneficiary. I request them to use properly, not to misuse and not to sell this equipment, because this is very expensive equipment. This will be benefit for them, especially for the rural people. They can use in their agriculture, they can use for grass cutting, and they can use for so many purpose they can use. So really I thanks and to the central government, especially Modi ji, for taking initiative for helping hand, especially to the rural people, to the poor people.